yan guys. So today is the start of our Hanoi vlog. Currently, we are now in Hanoi guys. After we have left Sapa kanina. So kanina pala is we arrived here in Hanoi at around 6 p.m. At luckily, hinatid kami ng bus company direct to our hotel. And I'm with the Vem and Jessie. Hinihintay pa namin yung ang 9 packs. Tapos andito kami ngayon guys sa isa sa mga Michelin rated star restaurant here in Hanoi. See guys, as you can see, there's so many people lining up. So it's best talaga guys if you have a reservation here. So what we did is we came here, walk in. Yan. Tapos nagpa-reserve kami doon for 11 packs. That's the name of the restaurant, Kwan An Ngon. So sabi is masarap na siya guys. And look at the place. There's so many people. Daming tao. So abort mission guys kasi ang daming tao. Pero nagpa-reserve na tayo for tomorrow's dining. Tayo sa Mr. Dakalgi, no? Sa harap lang ng Michelin star rated. Kasi gutom na tayo guys, we are famished. We are now at Mr. Dakalgi. Pero siyang hotpot guys sa Vietnam. Yes, ka-table ko ngayon si Jessie at saka si Novem. Of course wala tayong choice. Guys, look at this. Napakalaki, napaka-massive. Guys, grabe, gutom na gutom po. Ang sarap ng food. Jessie, ang sarap. Novem, ang sarap ng food, guys. Dito na kayo sa Mr. Dax. Oh my God. Guys, ang library dito papunta sa train station. Si Jong and the rest. So, Google Map lang tayo, guys. Laban lang. So, from the restaurant that we have nag-dinner tayo, Google Map lang natin papunta sa train station. Ito na yung exit. So after walking kanina sa pinasukan natin, dito na tayo sa train station. Guys, sa train street na tayo. Shit! Oh my gosh, ayan. Oo. Tapos, kumuha kami ng dito table. Good for 11. Guys, nakalasa isa na kaming local restaurant here. Coffee shop. Main guy will pass over from there up to there. So, in 10 minutes, lalabas na yung train. Guys, nag-bell na. Oh my gosh. From the side, yeah, from the side. So guys, nakakagulo na ang everyone. Nakakagulo na ang everyone. Oh my gosh. Ayan, kino-close na nila yung track. Oh my gosh, the train will pass by now. And in a moment from now. Ate Jessie! November! Oh my God! After kanina sa 9:50 na time, meron pa palang 10 p.m. guys. No? So the next train. So we will be catching the next train before tayo mag-head back to our hotel. Pat, nakadagit yun ang Novem ay. Hey! Ate Jessie! Novem! Forgot! Ate Jessie! It's already done. So I guess we should go now. Let's go now to the hotel. Guys, so 10 p.m. pala yung next train. So after sa 10 p.m. is 11 p.m. na siya. So we will not be waiting for the 11 now. We will be going home. Back to the hotel. Malapit lang yung hotel dito sa train station. It's already day 2 na ng ating Hanoi trip. And today is our first full day here in Hanoi. And right now is mag-breakfast tayo. Kasi may full breakfast yung ating Little Uyana Hotel. Ito yung area for breakfast.
Hello, sir.
Ito yung food nila. Buffet siya, guys. Maraming choices. Fruits and vegetables. Yeah, we are now off to Halong Bay. Our activity for today is we will be having a day tour to Halong Bay. They will fetch us in a bus dito sa sa Halong, and we will be traveling sa Hanoi, and we will be traveling all the way up to Halong Bay. Dito kami ngayon naka-check-in sa My Moon Hotel. Ito yung lobby nila. Very pretty. All white lahat ng mga all white ang facade. And I think dito tayo susunduin ng bus. Malapit ito sa lahat, guys. Malapit lang siya sa Train Street Station. Malapit lang din siya sa Old Quarter ng Hanoi. Tapos sa harap ng hotel, maraming mga spa, guys. No, so this is really a snag. I booked this in Agoda. Mga nasa around 1.9 yata yung per head. That is good for 2 nights already. May included siya na free breakfast. So, susunduin tayo guys ng bus company na nabook natin sa Klook. This tour in Halong Bay, nabook ko siya mga around nasa 2,900. Kasama na dun yung transfers from here sa Hanoi going to the Halong Bay. Tsaka cruise tour, siya ma-included din siya na lunch. And then, there are also included na mga entrance fees. That's the bus that will fetch us. That's it.
6 năm bằng miếu nó cũng ở chợ Hàng Gia hết. Thấy không? Cái phải chở nó.
Long Bay in the morning and we go back to the Hanoi in the evening. Not 2 days, 1 night.
Guys, there's a short toilet break dito somewhere na after mga 30 minutes of our biyahe. Doon kami sa may blue na bus. Meron din mga food all away here. May mga food din. From here guys, may mga nasa 2 to 3 hours pa na biyahe going to the Halong Bay. Ayan guys, so we have arrived here at Halong City. But before we will be having the cruise, nag-stop muna kami dito sa parang Pearl Museum nila. Ayan. Ito yung route ng whole of Halong Bay.
So, good morning everyone. Welcome to
We have a guide.
And you guys can call me Bruce. I'm a member of the Viet Profile. And today I want to show you guys one traditional job in Hạ Long Bay. That table over there.
Yes.
Morning.
Ay, betcha ay.
That's around this way. So here, where you guys are standing, is the biggest profile in Hạ Long Bay. And here is one of our technicians, and she is cultivating the oyster right now.
Yan, so explain nila guys kung paano nila kinocultivate yung pearl
Oyster we are found.
sa
So first one, we will need
shell.
Akoya.
Diba?
Like that one, Akoya is the
So ganyan yun, in-explain nila kung paano kinocultivate yung pearl. Then, the rest of the museum is a pearl shops. Meron silang binibenta ditong pearl guys, oh. This is a legit pearl. That is 6 million dong. Di maklaro sa ito. Yan guys, ang lawak pa ng bentahan ng mga pearl. So, pwede ka bumili dito ng mga pearl guys. Right after here sa museum sa pearl guys is babalik na ulit tayo sa bus para mapunta na talaga sa crew. We are now here at the ticket counter of the Halong Bay. Ayan, so everything is arranged already by our guide, Long. Si Long, oh. Ayan.
How long
So, we'll just have to wait here to process all the tickets for us one by one. Oh my God, dito na tayo. Ito na yung guys, yung docking area ng cruise. This will be my first experience of cruise. So, one person, one ticket tayo guys. And we are now already heading to the boat. Guys, bawal yung plastic dito sa Halong Bay. Kaya, do not bring plastics. Tickets are now checked. Mayroon na tayong ticket, guys. And we will now go to the boat. Punta na tayo sa boat. Pagkat parang uulan yata. Please God forbid. That's our ride. Thank you. Oy, lunch na agad. Upon arrival is lunch area. My gosh. There's a lunch area again, guys. Dito tayo. Upon sitting down, guys, may food na agad sa table. Tinakpan ba kaya ito while waiting for us? Diba? May mga veggies na naman. Paborito ni Sir O'Neil. Ayan na yung mga foods nila, guys. There's a fish and a lot of vegetables. Kita din naman kita sa video, te. guys is it's a cave. Parang cave daw siya guys na something like there's a cave. First stop, ito yung parang may cave dito. May cave daw guys, at saka may 400 steps dito na akyatan. If gusto nyo mag-swim guys, may swimming area dito. You can swim. Ayan na guys, ito na yung konting akyatan. Nob! Lalami! Nob! Hanga ka ba? Hanga ka ba ni mo Vietnam? Yan, hindi na kami nag-push through sa pinaka-itaas guys kasi napaka-tirik na. So nasa middle lang kami at nagpa-picture doon. Maganda yung view sa itaas. Ganda yung ano dito guys, o view ng Halong Bay. Okay guys, so yung next stop natin is a surprise cave daw. Kaso hindi na kami aakyat guys kasi very steep yung daan. No. Guys, dyan yung third stop natin. Pero hindi na kami umakyat kasi masyadong steep siya guys. So look at there. Dyan yung paakyat doon sa may cave. Tapos sa kabila, nasa kabila yung yan, nandyan sa kabila yung exit. So if you really plan to climb the cave, kailangan tuloy-tuloy ka talaga guys hanggang dyan. Kasi dito yung exit. Dito sila mag-exit. And there's no other way to go here without climbing here. So dapat pagkapunta ka sa exit, you need to climb here. So that is why hindi na kami nag-push through kasi masyadong maraming tao at saka napaka-steep na daan. Only Jassy, si Jassy lang yung nag-push. Right now is i-explore natin yung boat na nakuha namin sa Klook guys. Actually, mura lang ito na sa Klook. Nasa mga 2,900 per head lang siya. Ito yung entrance ng boat. Ito siya. Yan. So may mga tables dyan. Tsaka doon is meron siyang konting ref doon na may mga bentahan. Tapos dito guys, yung stairs pataas para sa upper deck. So meron siyang upper deck guys. Dito maganda mag-picture, mag-photo op sa panoramic view ng Halong Bay. However, if you wish to go to a larger boat guys, meron namang mga malalaking boat pero that is way more expensive. Tsaka yung mga ganyang mga room na mga boat, may mga rooms yan siya. Guys, let's mesmerize the cliff in Halong Bay. Guys, the last activity is this is our last activity and last stop sa ating Halong Bay cruise. And ang activity dito guys is kayak. So yung activities dito guys, pwede kang mag-kayak, may banana boat din, something like that, at saka speedboat. So yung kayak is free siya from the ticket that we got. The rest may mga bayad na siya guys. Ayan guys, ito na yung spot na kayaking nila. So parang may naka-cordon na na mga na-cottage. Tapos dyan lang sa spot na yan, yung kayaking. Tapos merong cave doon guys na para yata pwedeng pumasok. So for us, hindi na kami nag-avail ng kayaking kasi water activity kasi siya. We haven't brought our swimwear. But if you wish to avail of those activities guys, you have to bring a swimwear. So my thoughts about Halong Bay, gusto ko lang talaga kasi siyang puntahan. It's because as part of the UNESCO World Heritage siya, gusto ko lang talaga makita ang lugar na ito because this has been a spot for some of the films in the Hollywood. No, so just by experience, okay na yung once na tayo makapunta dito sa Halong Bay. Enjoy naman din, relaxing actually ng activity ito. Though may mga islands talaga na may akyatan. Pero it's up to your choice naman kung aakyat ka or hindi. Ayan guys, so before the party ends, before the cruise ends, meron pa silang pa-snack party. So this is just a little of party. may mga konting kakain for our last leg. Pabalik ng harbor. So while going back to the harbor is magpa-party tayo, sunset party. This is our third and last day here in Hanoi and in Vietnam particularly. For today's video guys is yung plano namin is more like a free day lang siya. Particularly magsa-shopping kayo, magpabili na pasalubong as our last day here tour in Vietnam. So, ang aming gagawin ngayon is nag-book kami ng bus, sightseeing bus sa Klook. This is just only a one round, no hop on, hop off na bus. Just to tour around all the spots here in Hanoi. Then right after that is yung plano naman namin is maglibot-libot sa Old Quarter to buy pasalubong. And pupunta tayo sa Lotte Mart later para bumili ng mga shoes.
Mga bag-bag rin ako.
Ayan guys, so dito na kami ngayon sa Opera House. So dito yung usually meet up ng sightseeing bus. Ayan. Ayan guys, so we are now already on the bus. Oh, may hat sila. Uy, may pakalo bus for the upstairs. Okay, may pakalo for upstairs. Ayan. So sa itaas tayo guys ng bus. So that we can see the overlooking of the Hanoi City. Oh. Ayan. So may free hat if you are upstairs. Guys, meron silang headset na ibibigay sa inyo. May mga commentaries. Okay, after namin nag sightseeing bus is nag-drop na kami dito sa may lake na naman nila. Malapit na ito sa Uniqlo. So right now is pupunta kami ng Lotte Mall kasi may bibilin kami doon na shoes. Okay guys, so dito na kami ngayon sa Lotte Mall. So medyo malayo siya from the Hanoi Old Quarter. Nasa mga 15 to 20 minutes taxi ride. Pero muna lang naman yung taxi na nakuha namin guys. That is only mga nasa 90,000 dong lang yun siya. Andito na kami ngayon guys sa food court nila. Ang bongga ng food court nila dito guys. Amazingly amazing. Guys, nasa Foot Locker na tayo. Ito yung sadya na kung bakit tayo nasa Lotte Mall. So check natin yung mga prices nila dito sa Foot Locker guys. You know that I really love Foot Locker because when I was in my trip last year sa US, no, doon ako bumibili ng mga shoes sa Foot Locker. May New Balance guys na tag 2.9 million. So around nasa mga 6,000 siya pesos. Meron ding 2.7 million. Yan. Then ito yung On Cloud na gusto kong bilhin. Ay, 4 million yung On Cloud guys. That is around 8,000 pesos. And 5 million. Ayan. Yung Adidas nila is 2.5 million pesos. Nike. Before is 3.7. Ngayon is 2.9 na lang siya. Kasi na Asics? 50% siya, oh. Asics. Converse. Asics naman na gina.
The price
Basics.
50%.
Guys, just to Lord Bodol moments of my... Oh my God. Lord. Panic buying tayo sa kape. Ang daming murang kape dito sa Lotte Mall, guys. Oh my gosh. Ito, nasa mga 50,000. Tapos ano na siya? Ilang pieces ba ito? 18? 12 pieces. May matcha din na kape, guys. May matcha na kape. Tsaka, ito, ang sarap. May free taste nito, guys. No? 10 sachet siya. Nasa mga 60,000 dong lang. Very good. Perfect. from Cebu! Hi! Yes! Tapos sa akin nagsapa? Ay, oh. Kailan kayo dumating?
May 1.
Ay, May 1st. Pareha pala tayo. Sabay tayo. Gaba ni nga squad. Ay, grabe ka, gastos.
Gasto rin ako ay.
Gas.
Kanang reveal. Sige daw.
Okay. Bill reveal, pila tanan. Pila tanan na bill. 1 point. 1,700,000. Jassy?
1 million, it's just 600.
600,000. Mura. Jamie? 800. Oh, Apple?
1.3 million
1.3. Sa akin, pesos.
Buduling the budol.
Mine is 1.5. Ang nanalo ay si Ding 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 Senya.
Naiwan ang credit card.
Pero naiwan ang credit card. Kami nag-shopping sa Lotte Mall is we went back.
Kami para sa
We went back to the hotel and lumabas ulit kami guys para sa aming second wave of shopping. Amazing. Wow. Guys, it's currently closed. Sarado po siya ngayon. But you can take pictures here outside from the church. Ganda pa yung sunset. Close as of the moment ang church guys. Nasa 8 to 5 p.m. yung open ng church. Then along between inside gilid-gilid lang ng church, maraming mga coffee shops. Ayan. Ngayon is papuntahan namin yung isa sa mga souvenir shops din dito sa Old Quarter. Kasi hindi pa tapos yung ating shopping galore. So may round 2 pa tayo. Guys, ito na yung yung parang coffee shops na i-demolish na. House ito. So wala na talagang mga tinda. It's about to be demolished. Guys, we are now around the Old Quarter. Daming mga shops dito for pasalubong. But we will find that certain store. Ito! Andito sila. Ito na store guys. Marami kang mura dito. Tawag niyan is souvenir shop at Sowan Hangbei. Dito namili sa lalayan. Then bibili din tayo dito. And then may mga keychains, mga ref magnets. Oh my gosh. So this is our second round of waldasan ng pera. Ubusin ang pera round 2.
Sambo.
Ay, meron din mga dito, mga wallet.
Okay.
Benti all.
Bente all.
And of course, the ref magnets are all here.
Hello.
Hello, yes, I'm vlogging, you know. I'm promoting your store, so you have to give us a discount.
You friend for...
Yeah, a while ago. Novem, that girl with a very chocolate hair?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh. Yeah, you're
Wait lang.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait lang for me. Here.
That girl,
Yeah.
that gay. Yeah.
You.
He is my
You.
friend. Yeah.
You.
Yeah, that's me. Yeah, you saw me.
Yeah.
So you have to give us a discount.
I know this town tawad.
Nga naman.
Why?
And tawad.
Tawad. Tawad. Patawad.
Yeah, and tawad.
Okay. So, para dito mga ref magnets and everything. So, let's start shopping. Panic buying. Last minute shopping. Ubusin ang pera.
Gani.
Itong yung ganito nila guys is 60,000 dong lang siya.
65 ha.
65 ha! Reveal.
Wala na rin ako.
How much?
Ano lang?
Sabi lang, 1 million.
Hindi, 800
800. Bill reveal.
1 million and 1.7, 1.7, 1 million.
Oh my God, 2.7 million. Diyos ko. Bill reveal.
500,000.
500K. Bill reveal.
2.5.
2.5. Hamloy lang. Bill reveal.
670
Oh, pinakamaliit.
Plus 600.
Perfect.
1-2.
Bill reveal, 1.2 only.
Saan tayo?
Guys, so after namin nag-tour around kanina sa Old Quarter, we are now here at the airport, guys. So wala pa kaming sleep, wala kaming tulog. So after namin namili, nag-arrange sa hotel, tapos nag-check out kami at 12 midnight. So yung nangyari sa hotel, guys, is in-extend na lang namin siya ng mga 12 hours. Supposedly kasi mag-check out na kami kanina at 12 noon. So since dawn naman yung flight namin for base 6, is nag-extend na kami hanggang 12 midnight. Ito yung airport nila. Guys, nasa boarding gate 34 na kami. Ito yung boarding gates nila. Malapad yung upuan guys, pwedeng higaan. So I thought nag-wonder ako if it is a chair or a bed. May nakita kaming tax refund booth dito guys sa terminal as a boarding gates. So we will try to refund our purchases doon sa Lotte Mall. Negative guys, so walang tax refund. Pero it is possible to have a tax refund here in Vietnam. Pero you have to request a tax refund form from the store where you bought the item. So for us, hindi namin alam yon. So for those who plan to spend a lot on shopping, so paghingi kayo ng tax refund para tax refund form sa store na binilhan niyo. Our flight to Manila is still at 4:30 a.m. Currently, it's na nasa 2 a.m. pa. So we still have a long way to wait. Guys, nasa Naiya Terminal 2 na kami for departure namin sa Davao. So nangyari guys, out of 12, kaming dalawa ni Nagray mauuna ng flight sa Davao. Tapos the rest of the group, 5 p.m. pa yung kanilang flight. Ayan guys, we are now already here in Davao City. So may konting flight ng turbulence kanina pag-pick up from Manila. So I guess guys, that's the end of our Sapa and Hanoi vlog. Thank you so much for watching all the way up to the very end of this video. So probably Sapa and Hanoi is a word to visit guys. No? Maganda niya naman, maganda yung place, especially yung Sapa. So see you again in our next travel vlog. No? And we will see each other again. If you do like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and to my channel. Bye-bye!